The Ford F-150 uses a dual-release safety system to open the hood. This system requires two separate actions to prevent accidental opening while driving. Step 1. Locate the interior hood release lever inside the cab. It's positioned to the left of the driver's left knee, near the parking brake pedal. Step 2. Exit the vehicle and move to the front of the truck. Look for the hood release lever located under the center of the hood. Step 3. Raise the hood fully and secure it with the hood prop rod. The prop rod should click into place to hold the hood open safely while you work. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your Ford F-150 hood mechanism operating safely and reliably. Ford has issued specific technical service bulletins addressing proper maintenance procedures. The most critical maintenance task is regular lubrication of the latch mechanisms. This is especially important in cold weather or harsh climates where freezing and corrosion can cause failures. Follow a regular maintenance schedule to prevent problems. Inspect hood operation monthly and perform quarterly lubrication of the exterior latch mechanism. Watch for warning signs that indicate your hood mechanism needs professional attention. If the interior release cable feels loose or doesn't engage properly, the cable may be stretched or broken and require replacement. Other warning signs requiring immediate professional attention include excessive force needed to release the hood, grinding or unusual noises during operation, and visible corrosion on the latch mechanisms. Proper maintenance extends hood mechanism life significantly and prevents costly repairs. Following these simple maintenance procedures ensures safe, reliable operation throughout your F-150's service life.